Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRT once again, and if you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel because this is a very interesting and very famous YouTube channel on the international market now. So today I am going to tell you about the international market, how the company and how the professionals and how the entrepreneurs are basically working for their profits in the international market. So today I am going to talk about that how you can easily understand or understood how they can play the role to earn the number of amounts of money per day. So let's begin with this. So hope this video is only for the education purpose, not for any entertainment or not for any teaching purpose. Basically it's only for getting the knowledge and education. So let's begin with this video now. So hope you are enjoying this video. Let's see up to the end only and complete this video, and at last you have to like this, subscribe this and comment it because I want to know your opinion also about it. So today look at here, it's a very special. So first thing I'm going to tell you, for that we have to make the account. So if you have the account and if you don't have the account in this platform BitBNS, so I am going to give you the link in the description below, or you can see in the top of your screen it is appearing. Just click that link and just register from there, and you can also start making the money. So how it is possible, I am going to complete all this step in this video now. It is a very useful for things, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because I am going to explain you everything in this video only. So let's begin with this. Today there are so much currencies are there. In any of these you can choose any one of currency. For the example, I am choosing the Bitcoin here. Now there is nothing else, like you can choose anything, USD, dollar, anything in what you have actually interested. So I am choosing here as to just teach you as an education purpose. I am choosing here Bitcoin. Now you can see here, after doing this, what I should have to take care about it, that I have to see here what actually this value is there in how much minute. You can see here 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So I am just going to check first of all 5 minutes. In 5 minutes I am finding here if the value is what actually. First you have to take care about of updations. So you have to refresh this once again because I have to check the latest one, because sometimes because of slow internet it cannot be just update some of the values. Because of that only you have to take care about it. So now you can see here what's actually the price is going on, indicating the price here. So you can see the price here $9270. when you are going to put here 1, so it means you have to buy 9270.96, but there is nothing like that. You will understand how you have to do the trade here. So first of all, do one thing. First you know about here that there is 9270. It means if you are taking the trade now, so when you have to just sell it, here you can see able to sell button and here is buy button. So the buy side area and sell side area, for the example we are taking. So what you have to do here, actually if you are taking here, you are putting your amount. For the example, I am putting here amount 0.00669. okay, it's mean I have to automatically the amount will display here. It means in this the percentage of 0.00669, the value is 62.19, means I have to give $62.19 for the buy of this trade. So when I am going to buy this trade, so I have to pay here 62.19. Why? Because we have chosen here this value. If we will directly choose 1, so 1 is for us it's a so much huge value. It is $926, so it means up to 7 to 8 lakhs in rupees. So it is not possible for us to taking so much huge money. So what actually I am doing here, I am taking less amount here and I am taking here 669. Yeah, it's fine here. Now what actually I have to do here, one thing you should have to do, first of all you have to verify your account when you going to get verify your account, so you will see here your wallet is there. You have to go in wallet, and in wallet you will see here your balance will appear here when you have to do the deposit. And how you have to do the deposit, you can just see here, it is an option here for deposit. If you are not getting the option here, so go in the wallet, choose the deposit here, withdrawal, both options are there. If you will go in the deposit, in deposit you will go to check here, so you will see the direct option bank, other is MobiWiki, and other is P2P USDT transfer. Okay, so choose according to you only what's you actually interested on it. Okay, now then I am going to show you the deposit also. In deposit, if you will go, so in deposit withdrawal option you will go, choose anything. But one thing here, the UPI and IMPS not working, and Bits Forex is not working, only bank and USDT. Okay, now what actually you have to do here, you have to choose the USD plan, and after that what you have to, according to you can choose any kind of currency here. Maybe sometime in rupees also it is valuable, and USD also, according to us, when you in which you feel safety. So now I am going to take the here USD, and I am going to show you here basic things. Now I am going to home here, and I am choosing, there are so many number of trades you can see here. There are so many trades are looking here. You have to drag it simply, you can see here there are so much. Okay, now what actually you have to do here, in USDT, now in rupees, if you are knowing, you have to aware about the that in rupees, actually if you are from the India, so you can just choose the in rupees system, and you can see all the things here, you can see here, yeah. Okay, so all the trades are available here, you can choose any kind of it. Basically many persons are basically taking on the basically gas, and somewhere in engineering, in somewhere also in gold, and something as according to you in which you feel better. But basically I am taking the trade on the Bitsy. It's a valuable trade for me because I am working in this also, so I have the good knowledge about it. So now what actually you have to do here, for the example, you can see now for the one thing, if I am taking here Bitsy, okay, so I want to click here, and finally in 5 minutes we have to see here what actually the rate is here. So first of all, before buying it, you have to check here, go in sell, and you have to check here when you are buying one, so you are buying this value in rupees, in dollar 9294.14, but when you are selling this, once again I am repeating this again, when you are selling this value, because it is, you are see here is 294, but when you are selling it, so when you write one here, so here you are getting 9227, means something loss is there. And another thing is there is also a trade value fees also, you can see here this fees also. So the loss is there, and you have to include this trade fees. Then you have to sit for a day, maybe sit for a month, maybe sit for a year, and you have to see here graph when this value, you can see here 9270, if it will rise up, if it will go up, so if for the example it's reach up to 1000, then only you will get some little bit interest profit about in this trade. If it will go decrease in low, so you are going to get loss here. So it is here one thing is there, it is also risk is there when you are doing such all trades. So that's why only please take care about such all things, and you have to do what I am going to tell you. For the example, if you are going to buy 0.00669, okay, so you have to do what now, 62.16, it means my balance is actually up to 4 to 5,000 in middle of it, so it will up to 62.19. so when I am going to buy it, so my account will, you can see here for the example, my account will go nil, and a little bit some rupees it will left, maybe it's something 10 to 20 rupees, but otherwise 62 it will change into USD currency, and 62.19, and it will show here where in wallet you have to go. In see all wallet, you have to see here in Bitcoin, here BTC, it will show here that your value is now 0.0069, means you have purchased this BTC. When you purchased this BTC, so now you have to do what? When you have to see the graph here of BTC, when you will see the graph here of BTC, so you will finally find here that if it will go rise up, so maybe so that time you be in the profit, and if it go below, so you are getting the loss here. So this thing you have to take care about it. Hope you have enjoyed this video so much, and hope I think so you have got so much knowledge in this video now. And if any kind of query related about this trade, whether it is a gold, silver, crude oil, any kind of it, so there is nothing like that you cannot be able to ask. You can ask simply by writing your text in the comment, and we are going to watching you, and I am going to try to reply all the comments now. So thanks for watching this video guys, and be continue from the another videos, because many videos you will get, they are so much knowledgeful and internationally they are so much valuable. So hope I am not giving any Prime membership, directly I am providing you a free videos, so you can just see it, watch it, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos and for more views. Thanks for watching this video friends. Bye bye, take care.